तमिलनाडु के वज़ीर आला एमके के बेटे उदयनिधि स्टालिन सनातन धर्म मामले पर इनके मुतनाज़िया रिमार्क्स मलेरिया और डेंगू जैसी बीमारियों से मुवाजना करते हुए कहा इसे ख़त्म किया जाना चाहिए। बेंगलुरु की अदालत ने ज़मानत दे दी है। अदालत ने इन्हें 1 लाख रुपये की ज़मानत के साथ ज़मानत दी। स्टालिन ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट से रुजू किया है ताकि मुख्तलिफ रियासतों में इनके खिलाफ दायर मुतअद्दिद मुकदमात को मुतअद्दिद समाअत के साथ जमा किया जाए। इनके रिमार्क्स ने मुख्तलिफ हलकों में बड़े पैमाने पर मजम्मत और कानूनी कार्रवाइयों को जन्म दिया।
Udayanidhi Stalin and other accused persons, they have given a statement saying that Sanatana Dharma is like a dengue, malaria and corona. It is not, what is that,
It has to be eradicated.
protested. It has to be eradicated. And entire Sanatana Dharma has to be removed and eradicated. And it is like other epidemic, diseases. He has given a statement in Chennai. It has appeared all over the country.
So what is the observation in the court today?
Now observation that he has filed bail application for accused number as accused number 1. He has personally appeared Udayanidhi Stalin, and in his bail application, court has granted him bail since it is a bailable offence 153, 500 and 298 of IPC. He has been granted bail and he has signed the bond by depositing some amount, and he has filed application under section 205 of IPC for permanent exemption. The court has not granted at this stage, and the court has given opportunity to file objection by the complainant. So it has adjourned to 88 for objection and his appearance. That's all.
And judge also asked him to produce the orders of the Supreme Court as well.
Yeah. What he said, his counsel said they have prepared a writ petition before the Supreme Court of India and also High Court of Karnataka. High Court of Karnataka, Stalin has not filed any application. He has filed application to transfer all cases in Bihar, I think Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. And there were 3 other complaints were registered and cognizance taken and issued summons against him. He has approached the Supreme Court to transfer all the matters club by clubbing and in one place.
To Tamil Nadu.
Now, whatever may be, Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra or Karnataka, whichever not for his convenience, it is the convenience of the.
On 8th of August, he has to appear again, sir.
He has to appear. If he does not appear, his counsel can file application for exemption. That's all.
No, but he had also sought exemption today in itself because his counsel stated that being a minister, he will not be able to approach as well. So has the court granted him any relief in
No, the ministers, there are so many ministers are appearing, so many MLAs, MPs, and everybody are chief minister also appeared before the court. Exemption, we know, even a common man also will be given exemption. But some stages he has to, his appearance is a must on framing of a charge.
If he does not, what's the procedure?
Warrant. If he does not appear, warrant will be
It's not
issued.
compulsory for him to appear, sir.
Not compulsory in all the dates. In all the dates. Even heinous offence also, there is a provision for exemption.
Okay.